Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Sign into Apple ID and enable iCloud Plus. This unlocks intelligence features. Once done, back up your device. You want a restore point if something changes. Now open the Apple Intelligence panel and proceed to sign in. Grant microphone, camera, and document access so the assistant can analyze inputs. Make sure to toggle feature switches for context sharing. This lets suggestions use Messages, Mail, and Safari. Begin with a small test, prompt to confirm responses and permissions are working correctly. You now configure behavior and train the assistant. Open preferences and set privacy levels, content types allowed, and trusted sources. This controls what it learns. Next, feed several targeted example prompts so it adapts to your tone and tasks, vary complexity to shape responses. Then connect core apps, Messages, Notes, Mail, Calendar, and assign per app permissions so context flows where you want it. As you test, adjust creativity and brevity settings to balance precision versus exploration. This reduces hallucinations and matches output. You deploy Apple Intelligence into everyday work. Use it for summaries, drafts, scheduling, and quick research, but always review outputs before acting. Monitor performance by checking history and logs. Note recurring mistakes and refine training prompts or narrow permission scopes to improve reliability. If something breaks, first toggle the feature off and on, then restore from your backup if needed. You can also reset intelligence settings and regrant app permissions. One quick troubleshooting tip. If responses are inconsistent, reduce context breadth and retrain with cleaner example prompts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.